Assalamu alaikum. My name is Sabah Maqsood and I am currently doing mechatronics engineering from AU University Islamabad. Today I am gonna show you my lab task of lab 3. So as you can see in this handout, this is lab activity 1 in which we have to write a program for ATmega 328P or ATmega 2560P to interface two 7 segments and make a counter from 0 to 99 with any delay. So we have to choose delay of our own. So I've implemented this file in Proteus, Arduino and Atmos Studio, as you can see here. So first I'm going to show you my Proteus file. I have made counter and I have put Atmega 328P and counter with it. So as you can see, and I have uploaded and I have made this code in Arduino. As you can see, I have used these two libraries and then I have given it a, a for loop in which I have given delay of 30 and in port D I have given this 0 cross FF for its display, and this is loop for counting from 0 to 99 in hex. And I have also implemented this in Atmos Studio. As you can see, this code is also implemented in Atmos Studio with same time delay, and also it's I can show you its debugging. As you can see, it's compiled successfully and its output is this. So now when I implement its hex file in this, you can see mindfill. As you can see, it's running. It count from 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 with delay of 30 and up to 99. As you can see in here, 11 12 13 14. So it continues up to 99. So now our second activity is we have to write a code to interface the hex keypad from Atmega 328P and glow any LED with the input from any keyboard button. So on any keyboard button the LED should glow, and we have to make the board according to this. So will show you my Proteus. As you can see my Proteus file here. So this is my Proteus file. This is I have made this hex keypad file, and this is my LED which will glow if I uh, turn on any or press any button on hex keypad. This will glow. I will show you my code. So I have implemented this code in Atmel as well as Arduino. As you can see, I have used these libraries and then I have implemented and I have written the uh, ports in which I have shown the connections here from PD 6 5 4 3. So like I have shown it here, and these I have given this file loop for the keypad that it should if the button is on, then it should display this, that 1 means that it should glow and 0 means that it should not. So I have this loop used for loop, and then I have also implemented this in Arduino, and as you can see it's been compiled successfully. You can see here it's been compiled successfully, and also here it will be, let's debug it. So yeah, also here it has been compiled successfully and this is the output. So now I will give hex file to this, as you can see, hex file, and now you will see that it will glow. So if I turn on this button, you will see that it glows, and then if I turn on also this button, it will glow. If I turn on this button, it will glow. So on any button the LED will glow. This was our third task. So as you can see that in lab handout 1 of week 3, this lab activity was given to us, code 1, in which write a code that takes input from port B and checks whether the number is even or odd. If the number is even, then blink alternative LEDs of port C with a delay. If the number is even, then blink LED at port C one after another from least significant bit to most significant bit. So like if the number is even, then LED on port C should blink, otherwise other LEDs should blink. So I will show you my Proteus file here. As you can see, code 1, as you can see here, this is my Proteus file for this, and I will show you my code first. So like this is my code. I have used only AVR library, and then I have defined ports, and on port C actually I have in here I have used port B, but in question as port C is given, so like we can write port C instead of port B, and when I will build this file, it will be built successfully. Sorry, here. So I have used this simulator, and if I build this file, it will be built successfully. And now if I debug it, you can see here it's been successfully debugged and our code is running, as you can see here. And I have also written this code in Arduino, and as you can see, if I compile this file, it will be compiled successfully. And here sorry, I have not uploaded the hex file here. So when I upload the hex file here, my code will run like this. In at one, as one is odd, these LEDs will blink, but if I turn it to 0, then other LEDs will blink, as was mentioned in our code. As you can see that code 2 was given to us, that write a code to monitor bit 5 of port C. If it is high, then send 55, which is in hex, which is a hex number, to port B, otherwise send AAS to port B. So we have to use port B. As you can see that I will open my Proteus file here. As you can see, this is my Proteus file. So just like before, the alternative LEDs will blink if I change my input to from 1 to 0. So as you can see, this is my file. And I have written this, I have used these two libraries, and I have given it on pin C. I have used port C instead of port B, so I can use port B or port C or port B, but as it mentioned in question, we can use port B instead of port C. I will change it here. And I as you can see, it's been successfully compiled in Arduino 2 and I have then given export compiled binary command to it. And now in my Proteus file, as I will give this hex file to it, and as you can see, it will run successfully. As you can see, on alternative basis, as if I give 0 to it, alternative LEDs will glow. So thank you.